question which comes under central tendency. First, read the question. The mean wages of 100 workers in a factory running in two shifts, one is morning shift and one is evening shift, is 38, and number of workers is 60 and 40 respectively. The mean wages of 60 workers working in the morning shift is 40, and we need to find out the mean wages of the worker working in the evening shift. To understand this question, we're going to take a help of a table. So this is a table going to use. The number of worker, let it denote by N1 and in the morning shift, N2 in the evening shift. So this is given as 60, this is given as 40. So combined N1 plus N2 will be 100. Now mean of morning shift, let it denote by X bar 1, is given as 40, and evening shift let is denoted by X bar 2. This is not given, this is what we need to find out, and total mean is given as 38. We know that X bar, the formula of X bar is what? 1 by n summation of xi. Therefore X bar multiplied by n is equal to summation of xi. Now we are going to use combined mean formula. Combined mean formula, that is X bar equal to n1 X bar 1 plus n2 X bar 2 divided by total number of workers, which is n1 plus n2. Let's put the number. X bar is given as 38, n1 is 60, and X bar 1 is 40. So 30 is equal to 60 into 40 plus this is 40 into X bar 2, and total is 100. We need to find out this X bar 2. Therefore 3800 is equal to 2400 plus 40 X bar 2, which gives 40 X bar 2 is equal to 1400. Therefore X bar 2 is equal to 1400 divided by 40, which comes to 35. So this is 35. This is our answer. Thank you.